Today we're talking about the Mometer. Mometer helps us determine the momentum of the markets. Now, what is momentum? Quite simply, we're going to define momentum as price moving significantly in one direction. So the term significantly is where we might need some clarification, and we also have the ability to tune what we consider significant. If we look at this chart, we'll see areas where there is obviously no momentum or significant move in price, but there is an area right in the middle where we see some significant movement. It's not uncommon for traders to overlook this momentum when looking for a trade setup or when looking to scale out of a trade. We developed a momentum indicator so that it's right in front of you and actually colors the bars on your chart so that you can create a confluence with other indicators without having to look away to determine if indeed there is some momentum. Here's a video of how the indicator works. You'll notice there is some momentum on the chart, and as a new series of momentum develops, it takes over, and now only where your eyes are looking are we concerned with momentum. That is an optional parameter inside the settings. You can leave it so that all of the historical momentum bars stay on the chart, or each new series creates momentum. As I mentioned, there are a number of threshold levels for generating the colored bars that can be set inside the parameter settings. So you can tune what you want to consider momentum and how big of a push or significant move in price would generate a colored bar. You can also color the bars differently, and you can color them differently from whether they're going up or down. The Mometer works on all chart types excluding fixed bar sizes like range bars and Renko bars. You can use this extremely powerful indicator to help you trade pullbacks or retracements from a trend, for trading breakouts, for trading strictly momentum, or for adding confluence to your current trading system.